Healthy Eating Challenge. Healthy eating is not just a diet, it's a lifestyle choice that has a profound impact on our overall well-being. With the increasing prevalence of lifestyle diseases and obesity, adopting a healthier eating pattern has never been more critical. This video guide you to the Healthy Eating Challenge is designed to help you embark on a journey towards better health by making informed food choices. Before we get started, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest content. Understanding the importance of healthy eating is not just about losing weight or looking good. It's about fueling your body with the nutrients it needs to function optimally. Proper nutrition supports various bodily functions, from maintaining a healthy immune system to ensuring optimal brain function. Eating well can help prevent chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers, and can also improve mood and energy levels. A balanced diet includes a variety of foods from different food groups: fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. Each group provides essential nutrients that contribute to overall health. For example, fruits and vegetables are rich in vitamins and minerals, whole grains provide fiber, and lean proteins support muscle repair and growth. Setting your goals. The first step in any challenge is to set clear, achievable goals. Reflect on your current eating habits and identify areas for improvement. Your goals should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. SMART. For example, I will eat 5 servings of vegetables every day, or I will drink 8 glasses of water daily. Meal planning and prep. Planning your meals in advance can help you stay on track. Create a weekly meal plan, make a shopping list, and set aside time to prep your meals. This can include washing and chopping vegetables, cooking grains and proteins, and portioning out snacks. Drink more water. Water is essential for your body to function at its best. When you are properly hydrated, the water assists in maintaining your energy levels and helping you to lose weight. When more water is consumed, your body stays hydrated, and it becomes easier to distinguish between hunger and thirst. The amount of water required depends on many factors including height, weight, activity level, temperature or season, and where a person lives. Healthy breakfast choices. Start your day with a nutritious breakfast. Opt for whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Examples include oatmeal with berries and nuts, Greek yogurt with honey and granola, or a vegetable omelette with whole grain toast. Add more vegetables and fruits. In order to build a healthy plate and encourage healthy eating habits, it is imperative to fill half of it with veggies. Most people only consume about half of the amount required daily. To get more nutrients and vitamins, it can be as simple as swapping out pasta for zucchini strips or rice for cauliflower rice. Snacking on fruits instead of sweets or baked goods will also serve you well. The U.S. Department of Agriculture's Choose My Plate recommends eating at least 3 servings of fruit and 5 servings of vegetables every day. To make it easier to incorporate into your daily diet, simple ideas such as chopping up your vegetables and having them on hand in the fridge will give you something to snack on. Have a glass of milk every day. Milk isn't just for kids. As a staple food that is a perfect accompaniment to chocolate chip cookies, a glass of milk is loaded with 13 essential nutrients, including bone-building calcium, protein, and magnesium. Yet, as nutrient-dense as milk is, most adults don't drink even 1 glass of this beverage a day. If milk tends to bother your gut, try lactose-free milk or A2 milk to see if these options help. Limit fried foods. There is nothing like biting into a crispy French fry or piece of fried chicken. But eating too many fried foods is linked to a slew of unsavory health outcomes. It might even impact your mental health. According to a 2023 study in PNAS, frequently noshing on fried foods was linked to a 12% increased risk of anxiety and a 7% increased risk of depression. Avoid harmful use of alcohol. Did you know that alcohol consumption is a contributor to more than 200 diseases, injury, and other health conditions? Alcohol consumption increases your risk of injury, as well as longer-term effects like liver damage, cancer, heart disease, and mental illness. Any level of alcohol consumption carries risk. If you drink alcohol, you may wish to discuss your alcohol consumption with a healthcare professional. Focus on whole foods. Whole foods, fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and legumes should be the foundation of your diet. These foods are minimally processed and rich in essential nutrients, fiber, and antioxidants. Aim to fill your plate with a variety of colorful vegetables, fruits, and whole grains, and choose lean proteins such as chicken, fish, beans, and tofu. Minimizing processed foods and added sugars will help reduce your intake of unhealthy fats and empty calories. Embarking on a healthy eating challenge is a powerful step towards improving your overall well-being. By setting realistic goals, planning your meals effectively, choosing nutrient-dense foods, and staying motivated, you can make significant strides in transforming your diet and lifestyle. Remember, the journey towards healthier eating is a marathon, not a sprint. Embrace the process, be patient with yourself, and celebrate the positive changes you make along the way. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching.